friends, a very warm welcome to your YouTube channel. Hope you are all fine. Currently we are discussing unit first of population and gender education, that is the population education and population dynamics, and we had discussed the concept, meaning and objectives of population education and population dynamics. And today we are going to discuss about the need and importance of population education and population dynamics. शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेक श्योर आप चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें और इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ऑल्सो ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए। आइए शुरू करते हैं विद ए ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन। पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन एंड पॉपुलेशन डायनामिक्स जो है, दीज आर द टू इम्पोर्टेंट फील्ड्स जो कि हेल्प करते हैं सोसाइटीज़ को इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग एज वेल एज इन मैनेजिंग पॉपुलेशन रिलेटेड चैलेंजेस। जहाँ पॉपुलेशन डायनामिक जो है, इट प्रोवाइड्स स्टैटिस्टिकल एंड साइंटिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट हाउ पॉपुलेशंस चेंज, वाइल जो पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन है, इट हेल्प पीपल इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग दीज चेंजेस एंड टू रेस्पॉन्ड दीज चेंजेस रेस्पॉन्सिबली। सो जो पॉपुलेशन डायनामिक्स है, इट एक्सप्लेन्स व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इन द पॉपुलेशन एंड हाउ इट चेंजेस ओवर टाइम, while जो population education है, it explains why these changes matter and what individuals and societies should do about them. So population dynamic studies जो है, इसमें स्टडी किया जाता है बर्थ रेट्स को, डेथ रेट्स को, माइग्रेशन को या एज स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन। सो ये जो फैक्टर्स है पॉपुलेशन डायनामिक्स के, these factors help scientists and governments to understand how population grow or decline, that we had also discussed in previous video. While जो population education है, it uses this information to educate people about responsible behavior, which include family planning, responsible resource use और environmental protection. Thus we can say जो population dynamics है, it provides us data, while जो population education है, it provides awareness and behavioral change. ठीक है। First of all, talking about the need and importance of population education. Population education जो है, it's not just an academic subject that is taught in schools, but we can say जो population education है, यह हमें बहुत ही important strategy देखने को मिलती है for social and economic survival. Because जो rapid population growth है, that create challenges for societies such as resource shortages, environmental damage, unemployment, poverty. So ये जो population education है, it help people in understanding these problems and it encourage people to do responsible actions in order to address them. And one of the major reason जो है for population education, that is to achieve sustainable development. As you may know, जो sustainable development है, it means meeting the needs of the present generation without harming the ability of future generations to meet their needs. Such as natural resources की अगर हम बात करें, like land, water, forests, energy, these resources are limited. एंड जब पॉपुलेशन जो है, व्हेन इट ग्रोस रैपिडली, जो डिमांड है इन रिसोर्सेज की, दैट आल्सो इंक्रीजेस, विच में कॉज रिसोर्स डिप्लेशन, एनवायरमेंटल डैमेज और इकोनॉमिक डिफ़िकल्टीज। सो जो पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन है, इट टीच इंडिविजुअल्स अबाउट द लिमिट्स टू ग्रोथ, विच मीन्स जो पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन है, इट डेवलप्स एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग among people about how population growth affected these resources, and it aware people about how unlimited population growth cannot be supported by limited resources. So this is how जो population education है, it encourages responsible behavior so that जो future generations है, they can also enjoy these resources. इसके अलावा जो पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन है, यह हमें एसेंशियल देखने को मिलते हैं फॉर इम्प्रूविंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ। क्वालिटी ऑफ लाइफ जो है, इट रेफर्स टू द ओवरऑल वेलबींग ऑफ द इंडिविजुअल्स एंड फैमिलीज, which include various factors such as health, nutrition, education, housing और income. And researches जो है, that today also shows that कि जो family sizes है, वो strongly influence करते हैं living standards of the people. Means जो smaller families है, they often experience better economic stability as well as access to the resources. एंड जो पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन है इट हेल्प फैमिलीज इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट हैविंग फ्यूअर चिल्ड्रंस अलाउज बेटर केयर फॉर ईच चाइल्ड। एंड जब फैमिलीज जो है व्हेन दे हैव टू मनी चिल्ड्रंस, जो फूड है दैट मे बी इनसफिशिएंट, हेल्थ केयर जो है दैट मे बिकम डिफिकल्ट टू अफोर्ड, और जो पेरेंट्स हैं दे मे स्ट्रगल टू गिव प्रॉपर अटेंशन टू ईच चाइल्ड। सो विथ फ्यूअर चिल्ड्रन, जो चिल्ड्रंस हैं दे रिसीव्स बेटर न्यूट्रिशन, जो पेरेंट्स हैं दे अफोर्ड मेडिकल केयर, या जो मदर्स हैं दे एक्सपीरियंस बेटर हेल्थ। Thus, जो population education है it also contributes towards better physical and mental health in families. So जो population education है it help parents to understand the importance of investing in education. Like बहुत सारी large families जो है they may face financial difficulties in improving the quality education for all children. However, अगर हम smaller families की बात करें, they can spend more resources on each child's education, they can provide better learning opportunities, and they can support higher education. So this is how it improves the future prospects of children and contributes towards the national development. थर्ड जो है दैट इज प्रमोटिंग रेस्पॉन्सिबल पेरेंटहुड। पॉपुलेशन जो एजुकेशन जो है दिस ऑल्सो प्रमोट्स द आइडिया ऑफ रेस्पॉन्सिबल पेरेंटहुड। Responsible parenthood जो है it means understanding the responsibilities that are involved in raising child, which involves considering financial capacity, emotional readiness, social responsibilities. So जो parents है they must ensure that they can provide food and shelter, education, health care and emotional support. So this is how जो population education है this also encourage families to plan the number of children that they have based on their ability to care for them. नेक्स्ट जो है दैट इज पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ जो है इसका हमें ऑल्सो स्ट्रॉन्ग इम्पैक्ट देखने को मिलता है ऑन एनवायरमेंटल कंजर्वेशन। लाइक जब पॉपुलेशन जो है व्हेन इट इंक्रीजेस रैपिडली, जो डिमांड है फॉर लैंड, फूड एंड एनर्जी दैट ऑल्सो इंक्रीजेस, एंड ये जो डिमांड है दिस में लीड टू डिफॉरेस्टेशन, पोल्यूशन, लॉस ऑफ बायोडाइवर्सिटी और ओवर यूज ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज। सो पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन जो है इट डेवलप्स एन इकोलॉजिकल कंसाइनेस। इकोलॉजिकल कंसाइनेस जो है इट मीन्स अवेयरनेस ऑफ हाउ ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज अफेक्ट द एनवायरनमेंट। सो जो पॉपुलेशन एजुकेशन है इट हेल्प पीपल इन अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट कि जो पॉपुलेशन साइज एंड जो एनवायरमेंटल हेल्थ है दैट इज क्लोजली लिंक्ड। देन नेक्स्ट जो है दैट इज सोशल स्टेबिलिटी एंड नेशनल प्रोग्रेस। जो रैपिड पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ है दैट कैन also create serious challenges for national development. Like जो governments हैं they must provide essential services to people such as employment opportunities, housing, transportation, education, healthcare. And जब population जो है when it grows faster than the economy, जो governments हैं that also struggles to provide these services, which leads to the unemployment, poverty, social unrest. एंड जब पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ जो है व्हेन इट इज स्टेबलाइज्ड, जो गवर्नमेंट्स है दे कैन फोकस ऑन रिसोर्सेज, they can focus resources on technological innovation, industrial development or economic progress. Thus जो population education है this contributes towards the national stability and the long term development. I hope ये सब आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा। तो talking about the need and importance of population dynamics. As I mentioned कि जो population dynamics है it is a scientific study of how populations change over time, and इसमें examine किया जाता है mechanisms को that are responsible for population growth or decline. So जो population dynamics है it studies various factors such as birth rates, death rates, migration patterns और age distribution. So ये जो understanding है इन factors की this help governments and researchers to predict future population trends. And governments जो है they also need accurate population data to plan effectively or for scientific planning and for policy making. So ये जो population dynamics है this is how this provides us information, and without this reliable population data जो governments है they may struggle to plan infrastructure and public services. So this is how जो population dynamic है it help policy makers to make informed decisions. And ये जो population dynamics है this also help us in urban planning, especially in predicting where जो people है where they will live in the future. Like जो migration trends है they often lead to the rapid growth in cities, and अगर government जो है they understand these trends, they can plan for housing development, they can plan better transport systems या public utilities या waste management. So जो proper urban planning है this also prevents problems such as slums, traffic congestion या overcrowded cities. And ये जो population data है this also help governments to decide about the resource allocation or where to allocate resources. Like for example areas जो है with high birth rates they require more school child care services या pediatric health care facilities, and areas जो है with aging population they require more hospitals, nursing homes या social support system. Thus जो population dynamics है it helps to ensure efficient distribution of the resources. Next जो है that is understanding the dependency ratio. Population dynamics जो है it also helps societies in understanding the dependency ratio. Dependency ratio जो है it measures the number of people who depend on working population, and dependents जो है that includes children and elderly people, and working age population जो है वो support करती है independents को through economic activities. And there is also an importance of dependency ratio, means अगर birth rate जो है that fall too low, there may be fewer workers in the future which may create a labor shortage. And अगर birth rate जो है that are too high, then जो population है that may have too young people. So ये जो situation है this situation is also called as youth bulge. अगर एक economy जो है that cannot provide enough jobs to these young people, it may lead to unemployment, social instability या political unrest. So understanding जो है in dependency ratios की this also help governments to balance population growth and economic development. इसके अलावा जो population dynamics है it also plays an important role in public health planning. That is by studying mortality rates and life expectancy, health officials जो है they can identify health trends. Like for example rising life expectancy जो है it indicates improved health care, या high mortality rates जो है that indicates disease outbreaks or poor health care systems. So जो population data है this is how it help governments to design vaccination programs, disease prevention strategies or healthcare infrastructure. And sudden increase जो है in mortality in some specific group it may signal a public health emergency. Like for example epidemics, malnutrition या environmental hazards. So early detection जो है in health crisis की this allow governments to take quick action to protect the public health. Then next जो है that is कि जो population dynamic है it also studies migration patterns and their causes, or we can say it manages migration trends. Migration जो है you may know it occur due to the push and pull factors. पुश फैक्टर्स की अगर हम बात करें पुश फैक्टर्स जो है दीज आर बेसिकली दी कंडीशंस जो कि फोर्स करता है पीपल को टू लीव देयर होम्स. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल पॉवर्टी, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट या नेचुरल डिजास्टर्स या पॉलिटिकल इंस्टेबिलिटी. वाइल जो पुल फैक्टर्स है दीज फैक्टर्स अट्रैक्ट पीपल टू ए न्यू प्लेसेस. Like for example better job opportunities, higher wages या better education या improved living conditions. So understanding जो है in migration patterns की this also help governments to manage urban growth, labor markets or social integration, and it ultimately prevent the economic decline of rural areas. I hope this is also clear to you. Now at conclusion we had learned that कि जो population dynamics and population education है they are complement each other. Means जो population dynamics है this help societies in understanding present population trends and predictive future changes, while जो population education है it help individuals to use this knowledge to make responsible decisions that can improve social and environmental well-being. And together ये जो two fields है these fields contribute towards social development, social stability, improved quality of life as well as balanced population growth. So guys that is it for today. आई होप आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हुआ होगा। अगर कोई डाउट कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप कमेंट सेशन में ज़रूर लिखें। सो दैट इज़ इट। आई होप you find this video informative. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to Discipline Talk channel. Thank you for watching.